If you've been looking for a best-in-class Class B RV that can seat 4 people and sleep up to 4 people, you got to check out this brand new 2027 Airstream Rangeline 21 Premier Loft. It just arrived. I'm so excited to show this one to you. Hi, I'm Brad Simcoe with Campers Inn RV in Troy, Ohio. Let's head on inside. I'm going to show you this amazing new versatile floor plan. Welcome inside the brand new Rangeline 21 Premier Loft model. What I love about this is you've got your mobile bench seat. This is able to be moved forward if you would like more storage in the back. If you want more seating, you can bring it back. You're able to have 2 people sitting here, and then in the evening times you can have 2 more people sitting on your bench seats. While you're in motion, you do have a 3-point harness seat belt, so you're able to seat 2 people back here comfortably, as well as children with car seats. And then as you're sitting back here, you have your table, which is able to be moved into whatever position wherever the bench seat is located. So you can have that seating back here. Of course, it's got that Airstream Rangeline design, and then you've got your tabletop that swivels out, so you're ready to play those games with the kiddos in the evening. All right, so we're going to show you the first bed configuration without the loft down. So what you're going to do, you're going to come back here. You got to pull this tether, lift that up. That'll release down. You've got a smaller handle. You'll pull that forward. Okay, this folds over. In order to get the middle bench seat backrest down, you do have a little lever down below here. That is very simple to pull down, and then you have this flap to give you that queen-size bed-like feel without having to bring the loft bed down. Okay. So we've got the first bed configuration down low here. Now if you're wanting to sleep extra people, you just simply have to bring this loft bed down. And it's as simple as unlocking where this key is, turning it a quarter turn. I'm going to step out of the way so we can get a better view for the audience. And I'm simply hitting this arrow button down. And you can stop this at whatever desired height you would like for the kiddos, especially with the skylight you've got in the ceiling there. Great view for stars at night. Now, if you do not want to use the bottom area as another bed, the loft bed can keep going down lower to make it your premier area where you're going to sleep if it's just a couple. All right, so I wanted to show you the last configuration that you can do. This bench seat that again is mobile because it's built into the track system down low, it is actually able to be fully removed. So that way you have all this storage. You can put whatever you want in here, bicycles, kayak, dog crates, whatever fits your needs. Then you still have the bench seat to be able to sit and lounge. Once this is pulled out, then you're able to bring this all the way down as, again, your only sleeping area, your premier loft. If you're interested and want any more information, please feel free to reach out to Campers Inn RV in Troy, Ohio. Again, my name is Brad Simcoe. Look forward to speaking with you.